and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how I cook my chicken and pork adobo. Here's the ingredients we're going to use. Here we have chicken, pork, soy sauce, vinegar, minced garlic, liver spread, brown sugar, whole peppercorn, and dried bay leaves. Here's the complete list and its measurements. And let's get started. Combine the chicken, pork, soy sauce, and garlic. Mix and marinate for at least an hour. Heat the wok and put in the marinated ingredients. Then cook for a few minutes. Add water, dried bay leaves, and whole peppercorn. Stir occasionally. Then bring to a boil. Simmer for 40 minutes to an hour. Put in the vinegar, add a little more water if it dries. Put in the liver spread. This will give our sauce a thicker and tastier flavor. Add in the brown sugar, and give it a stir. Simmer for another 12 to 15 minutes. And here's our finished product of chicken and pork adobo. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell all to get notified to my next video. And please leave a comment about this video or any suggestions that I can make in the future. This is a different combination your family and friends will surely love about chicken and pork adobo.